There's a brand new method out there that can earn you around $1,000 every single day by just commenting. No, it's not affiliate marketing, and yes, you can do it from everywhere around the world. I know a lot of the methods I've shown on this YouTube channel are actually only for United States residents, but this one is not. So you gotta do is grab a cup of coffee, cause no coffee, no worky. That's what Baby Yoda said. Make sure you like this video and let's start. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this awesome YouTube channel, because me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to upload around 2 or more videos every single day for your value. And you know what? I'll even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something down below. Like your TikTok username, just something cool, or Instagram username, YouTube username. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. So the way this method works is we're going to be finding forums to comment on. We're not just gonna comment some spammy stuff, we're gonna comment valuable stuff, valuable advice, and make money from that. So if we go on this website, findaforum.com, and it will show us different categories or different niches of people's interests. For example, music, artists, musical, dieting, weight loss, crime punishment, employment, history, organization, pets, birds, cars, vehicles. So if you are interested in any of these niches, you can not just read about them and get some value for you out of them, but you can also make money while doing that. For example, if you go on pets right here, we can see a bunch of forums like Yorkie Talk, Tropical Fish, aquarium forums. So if you have an aquarium advice, right, this forum, it has nearly 300,000 forums, over 80k members, around 3 million posts. So how do you actually make money commenting? It's gonna be very, very simple, and what you gotta do is register for the Audible creator program. To do that, you just gotta type in Google Audible affiliate, and as you can see, the interest right now in 2020 about it, especially in the last few months, is going up, which means a lot of people are catching on the trend. So you want to be ahead of the curve and start as fast as you can. So you just type in Audible affiliate and go here. When you go here, you'll be actually given the chance to join the affiliate creator program by Audible. So all you gotta do is drive traffic, which we'll do for free because we'll have all these forums available. All you gotta have is your fingers typing and a keyboard, and then you just click on become an affiliate and you can earn. Can you earn a decent income? Not 2 cents, 5 cents. Yes, you can earn around $5 per free trial digital membership. So if you refer just 20 people, you can make $100. 200 people, $1,000. If you comment 8 hours a day, you could be making thousands per day. So if you're excited about it, just comment down below. I'm excited to start. It's a very simple strategy, and this is an OBS tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video day gives a doctorate. This is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Results can vary. You can earn no money, you can make 1,000, you can make thousands of dollars. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these 2 videos out. See you next one. Bye.